Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to use exam.net but for the students. From how to enter the exams, all the way to what the buttons do in the exam. First, you must enter the exam before you can do anything else in this video. To do that, you must type in the exam code that should be provided by your teacher. Next, fill in the information that your teacher wants you to fill in. When all that is done, you can click on the Fetch Exam button. If you are not immediately in the exam, it is due to the fact that the teacher has not opened the exam in order for you to start. You will know when the exam is open if it gives you the option to begin exam. This will bring you into the exam. On the bottom left, you can see the clock along with the time left for the exam. This is also accompanied by the battery percentage of your current device. The actual test itself can be found on top of the answer sheet. You can also zoom in and out of the question paper for better visibility. You can even set the ratio between the question paper and the answer paper by dragging the barrier between them. Some teachers allow you to just write the answer on a piece of paper. If you choose to type it, then you can directly type it into the answer sheet. However, if you choose to write it on a piece of paper, you can scan your work through your phone. But please be aware, you can only do this if your teacher provides the option to. And to actually do it, you need to scan the QR code with your phone and take a picture of your answers. The picture will then be visible on your answer sheet. If you have any questions or concerns about the contents of the test itself, you can click on the Teacher Chat button on the left-hand side of the screen. This will make a pop-up appear which lets you talk privately to your teacher. Please note that they might not respond immediately and it might take a while for you to get a response from them. If you try to get out of the exam or accidentally get tabbed out of it, this will appear. You will need to provide your teacher with an explanation of why you were tabbed out, and after stating the reason, you might have to wait for your teacher to unlock it for you. If the teacher unlocks it, you can continue the exam as if nothing had happened. After completing your exam, you'll want to submit your work to your teacher. In order to do that, you will need to click on the Submit Exam button and submit your work there. However, you cannot change anything after you submit your work, so please be sure you are ready to submit when you do. After that, you are able to safely leave the website, and your teachers will receive the exam. Thank you for watching another tutorial video, and we look forward to seeing you again. Goodbye.